Hey guys, it's Mr. Rodriguez, and I'm officially a YouTuber. Um, I know that a lot of you guys haven't received tablets yet, which is why I'm going to be posting these videos. Um, a lot of stuff that I'll be posting throughout these few weeks and months are going to be on different apps like Think Central and the Wonders app. And on your own, you guys should be accessing iReady. So let me show you how to access these apps. You're going to want to go onto the Fresno Unified District homepage, which is right here. Let it load. Okay, the one that looks like this. You'll see Fresno Unified School District at the top. There'll be information for you guys, your parents up here. And the button that you guys need to click on is right here. This exercise your brain. Let me enlarge this actually. Exercise your brain. Okay. When you click on that, you'll see that it has this page, some messages for your parents, and down here, these are the little apps that you guys can access. So, let me see. So we have the Wonders one, which I haven't uploaded anything yet, but I will. The one thing that I have uploaded is right here in Think Central. So this is attached to Go Math. So if you guys click on that, it'll look different on your screen since you're the student. But on my screen, it shows the home page. You guys are familiar with this one, how I show stuff in class. But on your guys' end, it's going to show a list of things to do. And you guys can access those. It's 2 assignments per lesson. I've assigned all of chapter 11 up to lesson 5 since that's what we've covered, and I don't want you guys to forget that. My main goal is to prepare you guys for next year since we're not going to be coming back for the rest of this 5th grade year. So the next time I see you guys in person, you guys will be 6th graders, which is a crazy thing to think about. So, like I said, if you go onto the Fresno Unified School District homepage, you'll see the exercise your brain icon. Okay, you want to click on that, scroll down, and you have all these apps. There is also Khan Academy and iReady. And I know some kids were, I know that Siklali had mentioned that she was having trouble logging onto it because of some connection issues. So maybe if you are doing it through Google Chrome and it's not working, try Internet Explorer. And same thing, if Internet Explorer isn't working, try it through Google Chrome. But it also has the how to log it onto iReady. And yeah, see, it's saying use Google Chrome. Okay, so if you're having issues, click on that and it'll give you the instructions right here on how to do it. Okay, if you have questions like login information or student passwords, have your parents message me. They have my number, or you can leave comments in the videos, or they can email me. Everybody has my email. But logins should be the same, just like in class. Okay. So the main ones we're going to be doing is the Wonders one eventually, Think Central for all the math stuff, and then iReady. So what I want you guys to be doing, because for right now I've uploaded only math stuff, but I want you guys to access iReady as much as you can. Okay. I know that during class we would limit it to 45 minutes a week for both math and ELA. So don't go over that mark at home too. 45 minutes because we don't want you guys to, get tired of iReady and lose interest in it. Okay? Do it for like 10 minutes, 10, 15 minutes a day, and then log on to Think Central for your math exercises and for Wonders. Okay? If you have questions on certain things for math, you can always access Khan Academy right here. They have great videos. We've watched a lot of those videos in class. If you have questions, go to the YouTube channel when I start posting things and post the questions under there. Since I am a new YouTuber, I have no idea how to work a lot of this stuff. So one of these days I'll probably go live, and when I do, you guys can ask questions on there. I'll go over some different lessons, and yeah, if you have questions, just comment it. One other thing, make sure, because up here, if you could see, I only have 13 subscribers, only 13, and that should be 26. I have 26 students. I need 26 students on here, and I know just about everybody has a phone. Okay, I've caught, who was it? Caesar, Victor had a phone. Someone else had a phone. Alexandra. I don't know. I don't remember. Um, but if you don't have a phone and your parents do, ask them, hey, can I use your phone for a little bit? I want to see if Mr. Rodriguez posted a video. Okay. And just like you do for your other YouTubers that you follow, like, subscribe. Well, you don't have to like it. I don't care if you like it. Just subscribe and hit the notifications bell. Okay. Hit the bell. That is important because if I post a video or when I post a video, you need to be notified. And it's like, okay, Mr. Rodriguez posted something. Let's see what content he's going to cover today. I think that's it for this introduction video. Like I said, I miss you guys. Miss going to class and teaching you guys. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, feel free to let me know. Hopefully you guys are all staying inside, staying safe, washing your hands, all that good stuff. So this should be to 26. So text each other, message each other. I haven't heard from Helen. No one answered on when I tried calling, and I think Alexandra. So just kind of spread the word. I want this to get up to 26. Even if you have friends in other classes, if you have someone in Miss Scrivener's class or Mr. Baez or Miss Givens, and you say, hey, Mr. Rodriguez is posting videos, if you want to watch them, hey, they can subscribe too. That's fine with me. The more the better. Maybe I'll become a famous YouTuber and make millions. Who knows? But if you have any questions, let me know. Okay? I will try to post videos weekly. So let's be on the lookout for that. Okay. Any other questions? If you don't, if you have just questions on like, am I doing this right? Am I just wasting this week? Or don't be super stressed about it. Okay. As long as you're doing some iReady lessons and throughout the week. And if I assign stuff on here, you guys will see it. You just click on there and it will have a to-do list. If there's nothing, don't worry about it. If there is, try to get it done. Okay. I know that tablets should be distributed out. Someone was asking me about if they missed their pickup date, and I'm pretty sure that you can reschedule that. You would just have to call the people that called you in the first place. Okay. I think that's it for my first video. I'll see you guys next time.